Ethics and economic systems are two concepts that are closely connected in human life. Ethics refers to the values, norms, and moral principles that guide us in determining whether an action is right or wrong. In the context of economics, ethics plays an important role in ensuring that every economic activity is carried out honestly, fairly, and responsibly. In daily economic activities, ethics appears in many forms. For example, the honesty of sellers in setting prices and product quality, the transparency of companies in providing information to consumers, and the fair treatment of workers. Ethics also requires companies not only to pursue profit, but to consider the social and environmental impacts of their activities. Without ethics, economic activities can turn into spaces for fraud, price manipulation, consumer deception, and labor exploitation. Meanwhile, an economic system is the way a country organizes and manages all of its production activities, the distribution of goods, and the use of resources to meet the needs of society. In general, there are several types of economic systems. First, the traditional economic system, which is heavily influenced by customs and tradition. Production is usually simple and only aimed at fulfilling basic needs. Second, the market economic system, in which all economic activities are determined by market mechanisms. Prices are set by supply and demand, and the government has minimal intervention. Third, the command economic system, in which the government has full control over production, distribution, and pricing. All economic decisions are determined by the state. Fourth, the mixed economic system, which combines market mechanisms with government intervention. And this is the system used by many countries today. The relationship between ethics and economic systems can be seen through how moral values influence the functioning of the economy. In a market economy, for example, ethics is needed to prevent unfair competition, monopolies, and other fraudulent practices. In a command economy, ethics is needed to ensure that government power is not abused. Even in a mixed economy, ethics serves as the foundation to ensure that government policies and business practices align with the public's interests. Without ethics, no economic system can function properly. Ethics acts as a stabilizer that ensures economic activities benefit not only a few, but society as a whole. By upholding moral values, we can build an economic system that is fairer, more humane, and sustainable for future generations.